Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Nicola and welcome. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, and we are going to be unboxing Glossybox. For anybody who doesn't know what Glossybox is, it is a beauty subscription monthly, and it is £10 with £3.25 shipping, and you get it every month. It includes 5 products, mostly full size. Sometimes we get deluxe samples. So let's get into it. This is how it comes. So you get your pamphlet and it tells you everything that's in here on there, and it tells you the prices. And then it looks like this. So we're just going to get opening it up. I'm excited, I've not actually opened it yet. So yeah. So this is how it comes. So you've got this wee worms. So what? It's looking interesting. So first thing I see is this, and it is a colour protection deep conditioner hair mask, Kalahari melon oil. So I'm going to go to my card and see what the tea is with this. So it's a repair and deep conditioning treatment, and for one mask it is worth £2.49, which is not bad. I do like to have a mask now and again, especially having coloured hair, and this one is for coloured hair. Fantastic. And the next item is this. And it is a Maybelline Dream Blender foundation sponge. This latex-free foundation blending sponge delivers even coverage and smooth finish. Simply use the side of the sponge to blend your foundation in circular motions across your cheeks in an outward direction on your forehead, nose and chin. Use the tip for greater precision around your nose and under your eyes. And it says that this retails for £4.99, and you can get it on lookfantastic.com. Yeah, so I'm going to open it just to see what it looks like, because I'm intrigued to find out. So it's like a little blending sponge, and it's on a stick, so feels a bit hard. So a bit on once it's got water in it. But yeah, I quite like that. To get right under here, that'd be fantastic. I shall let you know how I get on with that. Right, and the next item is dry shampoo. And this dry shampoo is Hydrate for hair that's normal or dry. I have to say, I've never tried a dry shampoo. Never in my life have I tried a dry shampoo. So they say this retails, this is a deluxe mini, and it's worth £1.50. A full size is 200ml, and it retails for £4.25. It does say price will vary by retailer, so depending on where you get it, you might get cheaper, you might get dearer. So it is that. And the next one is this. And I know this was our sneak peek for last month, and this is, I'm going to read it to you and let you find out. So this is a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream. And they're saying it retails for £98. For that. £98. And this is a full size product. All those late December nights call for a skincare saviour, and we've got the perfect solution. This delightful full-size anti-aging moisturiser is formulated with the deeply hydrating wonder ingredient hyaluronic acid. It will rejuvenate tired eyes, promote an even skin tone, and minimise the appearance of lines and pesky pores. It has a generous, fresh scent that instantly smooths your skin without adding shine. So, yeah. £98. Sounds interesting. I want to give it a wee sniff. Oh, it's got one of these on it. I'm just going to take a tiny wee bit. I can't really smell anything. Maybe because I just took a tiny bit, but it's like... I hope this works. Oh, it does feel nice on the hand. No, there's not much of a scent. Just it's a nice smell. It's a nice smell. And our last product is this, and this is a facial foaming gel. So the foaming gel, so this is a deluxe mini, and the deluxe mini is worth £13.31. A full size is 200ml and it retails for £22.71. Add this refreshing foaming gel cleanser into your beauty regime. Simply work the gel into damp skin in circular motions to gently exfoliate and remove your makeup. Formulated with minerals from the Dead Sea. Typical of 417 products, rare plant extracts and vitamins and invigorating formula will leave your skin feeling clean, soft and fresh. So, sounds good. I can't wait to try those. So, what do I think about the box this month? It's okay. It's not been my best month. I think the best month of Glossybox I've had was November, where we got a Huda Beauty liquid lip. So yeah, that was exciting. It's quite hair. I would prefer something that's got more makeup, if I'm honest. I don't mind skincare stuff, it's fine. I'm not keen on getting hair products, if I'm honest. It's not my thing. I do like the thought of the mask, the hair mask, but the dry shampoo, no, not really. Suppose it gives me the opportunity to try it, I suppose. I don't know. It's just not exciting to me. But anyway, if anybody is interested in joining up to Glossybox, I do have a code. And this code will give you 20% off your first box. I want to put a disclaimer in here that this video is not sponsored. This is not an affiliate. Anybody who signs up to Glossybox gets their own specific code for friends and family. If someone uses your code, you get what's called Glossy credit. And what that is you could spend that on any products on the Look Fantastic website. You could earn Glossy credit by going onto your account, filling out surveys, doing reviews, and so on. So, if you would be interested in signing up to Glossybox, I will leave my code down below and you are free to use it. If you don't want to, that's entirely up to you, but I would recommend this box. Sometimes it's a miss and sometimes it's a hit. I have to say I've not been really disappointed with Glossybox yet. There's been times when I'm like, oh my god, this is an amazing box, and then other times I'm just like, nah, you know, like this month I'm happy. I don't care so much for the dry shampoo, but you know, yeah, it's definitely worth the money. I will put the total value for the box on the screen somewhere as well, just to show you. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you liked this unboxing, comment down below. If you have your own subscription boxes, which ones do you get? Love to hear. And yeah, if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you're notified anytime I upload a video. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.